Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to play D.Va like a pro in Overwatch. Learn to time defense matrix to absorb key enemy abilities and ultimates, such as Soldier 76 Tactical Visor or Farah Barrage. Use DM to protect your supports from enemy flankers or burst damage. Use boosters both defensively and offensively. Be aware of boosters' cooldown and save them for crucial moments rather than using them randomly. Use micro missiles to finish off low health targets or to pressure enemy shields from a distance. Know when to dive into the enemy team and when to fall back to your own to avoid feeding ultimate charge. Use self-destruct strategically to reset fights, zone enemies off objectives, or force them into disadvantageous positions. Position yourself to contest objectives effectively, while being able to retreat to safety if needed. Focus on eliminating enemy supports and squishy DPS heroes when diving into the backline. Communicate your target selections to your team to focus fire and secure kills quickly. Exit your mech strategically before it gets destroyed to avoid feeding ultimate charge to the enemy team unnecessarily. Utilize D.Va's mobility to reach high ground positions, providing better angles for both attacking and defending. Use Defense Matrix to eat enemy ultimates like Hanzo's Dragon Strike or Mei's Blizzard to nullify their impact. And work closely with Winston, Genji, or Tracer to execute coordinated dives on key targets. And that's how to play D.Va like a pro in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.